Hello, everyone.
Hey, OFP Nation. I'm not feeling well today, guys, and I'm not looking well either. That's why the camera's off. So, but I hope
Mhm.
you guys are doing great today. Who is with us? Can you let us know in the comments? Shout out and let us know where you are tuning in from. Is it our usual repeat offenders? Is Agostinho here?
Yay.
We are looking forward to the trading week ahead. Can't wait to
Mhm.
get to these charts. Um, Barry, are you ready for the analysis? Hi, Kelly, or no, Patrick. Patrick from USA. Patrick, where in the US are you? Or is it Kelly? Or is it Pat? Is it Patrick or is it Kelly? I'm confused. I'm so sorry. But where are you from in the States? Agostinho, our dear friend, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Um, as always, we are going to be going through the analysis. So we're going to be taking a look at the week ahead and we're going to be looking at the pairs on our watch list. And then, of course, we're more than happy to kind of talk about whatever pairs you guys are looking at. Um, and then kind of, look at your favorite pairs and answer any questions you guys may have about that analysis as well. Kelly from Michigan. Kelly. Okay, so Kelly is like a name that can be both male and female. So I don't want to assume you're a female because I've met guys with the name Kelly. I was going to say, hey, girl, and then I stopped myself for a second because you might not be a girl. But Kelly from Michigan, I am right next door to you. I'm southeastern Wisconsin, just north of Chicago. So howdy, neighbor. Howdy, howdy. Um, all right. So Barry, my friend, are you ready?
Born ready.
Born ready. Born
Yes.
ready. I think Kelly is trying to say he's a male, but
Yeah.
it came out make. I'm so glad I did not say, hey girl. All right, go ahead with the analysis, Barry. It's all you.
All right. Yeah, I guess. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Right. So, we're gonna start off with gold. Let's look at gold. Gold has been skyrocketing, y'all. Yes, so gold, we started off here, we broke the resistance, and from there we never looked back. And it kept on flying. And we are literally like $10 away from take profits. So gold has been flying. So we are literally going all the way up. And our take profit is at 2632. So in the coming week, I'm looking for us to actually go up to here. We might even go all the way to 2660. And then from there, maybe we can start to pull back. That's what I'm expecting, like to pull back for the year. Then maybe we can be bearish for the rest of the year till like December. Then maybe from there, we can start to be bullish again. But for now, gold, we're going up. That's my analysis on it. Nothing much I can say. Yeah, so let's move over to euro dollar. So euro dollar, like I told everyone, this pin bar had to be filled, and that's what is exactly happening. So Friday, if you took your profit, that's good. We initially had a push the run down here on Thursday, and yeah, we started pushing all the way up. The majority of pairs did this. So right now we're still watching euro dollar till we see a new high. Then from there we can plot our trend line and start looking for some shorts on euro dollar. Let's move over to dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican has been pushing down, but now it seems like we're bouncing off this area that was literally our target. So we're bouncing off and we seem to be coming back probably into this area right here. So if you're looking to go long, this can be an area to target, but this is the area I'm targeting to probably short from. Then we can probably come all the way down and make a new low. But for now, anything at this current moment is probably bullish going all the way up. Yeah. So I guess this is the same scenario that happened on Wednesday, is it? So this was Friday, Thursday. Okay, now here there wasn't any so-called pin bar. It was on other dollar pairs rather. So for now, our target is all the way up here. So if you're looking to long this is a great opportunity. All of this has been broken. Resistance has been broken. So we seem to be going all the way up. Then let's look at dollar yen. So dollar yen, we had confirmation, broke the resistance, and we seem to be going all the way up. So target area is all the way up here at 153. This is an area we're looking to come up to 153. Then from there, that's when maybe we can actually look to push to the downside. So right now we have started our journey. I know I said this pin bar should be filled. It may be filled, but it should be filled anytime from now. But for now, we actually saw an opportunity to go long on dollar yen, so we shouldn't neglect that. So for now, we are going long. We may have some areas where we might reverse from, which is the first resistance here. This could be our second one. Then our last one is here. Then from here, once we reverse from here, you know for sure that we're going to come all the way back here to 140 to fill out this pin bar. Let's look at CAD Swiss next. So also CAD Swiss, um, we did have a break of this trend line here, and this was like a resistance level we're looking at. We broke all the way up there, and we seem to be going up at this point. Surprisingly, I didn't get stopped out, but this would have been a great entry if you are looking to re-enter. And yeah, we're still aiming for the top right here, but it's just a surprise that we did not get stopped out. That's what is amazing on CAD Swiss. We are very close to getting stopped out. So those who got stopped out, this was definitely a re-entry into CAD Swiss right here, and we seem to be pushing now all the way up. Hopefully we go right beyond all these resistance levels and aim for 64 0.64700. That is our target for CAD Swiss. Let's move over now to pound yen. Pound yen has also been doing the most. Yeah, so we broke this trend line. We broke resistance. This could have been a great area to enter, but we didn't. We rather entered on this second resistance over here, and it pushed up with a very bullish candle, which we have here. So we have an area we're targeting, which is this pin bar here. So we're not too far from that. First area to touch is just basically 196. So that's our target for pound yen. Then let's move over to Euro Kiwi. I'm touching everything today. You don't need to tell me. So with Euro Kiwi, we're still holding. We pushed all the way down, but this seems like a fake out. And we're still holding. We seem to be still holding. So it seems like we're going back up into this channel. Then from there, if we break all the way up, then we may actually see ourselves breaching all these resistance levels and coming all the way to 186. So that is our long-term projection. But for now, the first things first, we just need to break above this channel. Then maybe some more longs can be added to this to go all the way up. So those who are looking to enter into Euro Kiwi, this is gonna be something we need to look for, a break above this downward channel. So once that is done, then we can actually see some upside movement from here. Our stop loss still goes the way down here, so that's still holding, so that's good news. Let's now move over to, yeah, we're done with all the forex pairs. So now let's move to the indices and crypto and oil. So let's actually look at oil first. It seems something may be setting up with oil. So let's look at oil first of all. So Brent. So oil seems to be continuously moving up. It's like this is now the break of the bearish cycle that we were in for quite a while. So we broke this trend line, reached resistance, pushed all the way up. So it seems to me that the area we are already aiming for is this one here, this resistance, which was a pin bar. So we're looking to fill that one first. Then from there, if we do continue pushing up, especially if we have a big bearish, or rather a big bullish candle that goes all the way above this level, then we can definitely look to come all the way to $80 per barrel right here, which is also a pin bar area. So watch this level, guys, watch it. $80 per barrel is something we can definitely reach in the coming weeks. So for now, we're just looking to clear off this resistance level. Once we do that with a very clear bullish candle, then this can be our second area to take out. So that's what I'm seeing on Brent oil. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we had a pin bar. Did we feel it? Where is that? Yeah, right here. I think this was Wednesday. Yes, this was Wednesday. We had a pin bar and it got filled immediately, just right after the Fed interest rate. So, which is great. So right now we are aiming for 65,000. We started off here. We broke the trend line as usual. Resistance was broken and we started flying all the way from here. We just made higher highs, lower lows as usual. We let the market breathe, and 65,000 doesn't seem like a long shot. We are reaching to that level, though we have this pin bar here, which we need to be really careful. Once we feel it, it might be an area we may actually strongly reverse from. That is around 64,000. So once we reach this area right here, we need to be like really careful not to think like probably it may surpass this. If it does, yes, if we have like very strong bullish candles that go way above this pin bar, then great. We may not be actually having a reversal and we may actually be making a new high, probably even way above 65,000. But as you know, Bitcoin always likes to push further upwards and faster towards the end of the year. So also watch for that. November, December, somewhere there is a great time to just long Bitcoin and see what profits you can take. So just watch that for Bitcoin as we get towards the end of the year. We only have 3 months remaining. That's October, November, and December. So watch November and December for probably more highs getting breached and resistances getting breached. So we may actually see ourselves even close to 70,000 by early January, probably even making new all-time highs maybe in early 2025. So keep watching this space for Bitcoin. That's what I can say. But for now, 65,000 is an area we seem to be going all the way up to. I don't see any reason to short Bitcoin at this moment, but being bullish is the way to go right now on Bitcoin. So let's actually look at the dollar index now. Dollar index has been up and about. So this pin bar is an area I said we are looking to fill. We have filled it at least 50%. But coming Monday, I do think we're going to come all the way down here. Then from there, we can actually draw a trend line and looks to be bullish again on dollar index. So it has been really messy since here. So for now, we are just looking to take out this previous low at 100, then maybe breached all the way down to 99. That's what I'm seeing for dollar index. Then from there, that's where we can start drawing up our trend lines, breach those levels, then actually look to take longs on dollar index. Then let's look over to our final indices. That's NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100. How has it been doing? So with NAS 100, I'm really liking this one because it doesn't have the things which I usually plot. So I'm going back to my usual one, which is US Tech, not one NAS 100. So it's actually called US Tech 100. So there we go. Yeah, it has all my lines, all my levels. So yes, we are still aiming to make a new high on NAS 100. Right now, we have breached this resistance. I don't see any reason to short. Same scenario with Bitcoin, no reason to short. But we have this long wick here on NAS 100. Be wary of this. We may come back for this pin bar. It's a very long one and very attractive for the market. So just watch this level. We may actually come all the way down here. Maybe if we go above this high here, we may come back to retest this level of 18,500 where our entry was. So we may actually see something like this, fill it up, then push all the way back up. But for now, the focus is to make a new high. So don't be rushing to book your profits as of now, unless there's a reason to, like maybe you see one big reddish candle, something like this, like consecutive red candles going to the downside, then maybe that's when you can panic. But for now, we are still aiming to take out the high here. Then when we do, then I can safely say we are aiming to come all the way down here. But for now, we're still bullish on NAS 100. Let's look at US 30. I remember US 30 made a new high. So let's see if there's anything we can take from here. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So now, US 30 also actually had a pin bar that got filled 100%, which is great. So now we're looking for this candle right here to make a new high. So coming Monday, if you want a quick one, 42160 is an area we are looking to breach come Monday. So when that does happen, we are going to draw our trend line from here to here. So we are just looking to make a new high from there. Once that is done, we're going to look for a breach of this trend line and a breach of this support. Then from there, we can look to even actually take out the bottom of this pin bar right there as our first level. But remember, we also talked about this pin bar over here and this one over here. But I would really say this pin bar here is the best one we're looking for. But we also have another pin bar over here. So we have like a list of pin bars lined up to be taken out. So it just depends on your risk appetite. You can aim for this one when this is breached. You can aim for this one, or you can aim for this one. Or if you're really looking to go long term, this is the one you can aim for as well. This is like a longer term, greater risk reward. So once this is broken, stop loss can be on the previous high. Then we look all the way down here. This can even be like a 12 to 1, 15 to 1. We always look for that. Yeah, I remember last time we talked about a pound yen that gave like a 7 to 1. So yes, it's indeed possible to get a 12 to 1 if you time your entries really well. Like I've said, once this breaches, and if you're patient enough to wait for the trade to mature and you don't fidget with it, 12 to 1 is an easy thing that can happen. So we are done with the pairs of them. I don't think I'm gonna give up the flow right now and say what other pairs would you like us to look at? Yeah. Okay. Barry, it was amazing last week. God was an amazing buy. Yes, yes, we call this in advance. Yeah. Too bad we don't have like a signal service. But hey, would you like to probably see we trade live one day? Yeah, that could be something we can look into. Like, yeah. So, GU, you want us to look at GU, Augustino. Dollar index, we have already looked at that. Okay, let's take one more. That's pound dollar. Let's take pound dollar. Let's just have a quick look at it, Augustino. So pound dollar, we made a new high, which is good. We took out this pin bar as well for Wednesday, though it doesn't really look like a pin bar, just looks like a line on the chart. Yeah, but this pin bar was taken out as well. Also, this pin bar here looks like it wants to be taken out. So we left a lot of pin bars right here. But for now, you know what to do. Um, is this is almost the same scenario with US 30. So come Monday with pound dollar, come Monday, we are looking to take out this high right here at 33400. That's just like a 10 pip move, rather a 9 pip move. So once that is taken out, we're going to be looking to break this trend line. Then when that trend line is broken, this can be a first area to target. This is a pin bar, a nice balanced pin bar. So this could be an area we can look to target actually. And also here, this was like a consolidation area. So this could also be a second target to look at. We talked about this as well in our previous sessions. So this could be also an area to look out for since this was a consolidation. And yeah, so first target would be here at 130 and second target can be at 128. So once that is done, like we make a new high, break the trend line, push all the way down. This could be our first target, book up profits from there. And if you're patient enough, we can watch the market even come all the way to 128. That's what I'm actually seeing with pound dollar. Right. So I believe this is where we come to an end for our analysis. So this is where the floor can be open where you can ask questions, not other pairs, because we have really covered like enough pairs and GU was just an exception for us to actually look at, but we can actually add it to our watch list to review on Wednesday. So we're going to review pound dollar on Wednesday for you, Augustino, to see what actually happened and so forth. But you know what I trade? My main watch list is dollar Mexican, dollar yen, euro dollar, CAD Swiss, pound yen, and gold. Keep it simple. No more than 6 pairs. So yeah. Right, you are most welcome, Augustino. Right, Ria, you can come out from the hiding and tell us about the promotion if you can.
Hey, everybody. We've got a flash sale going on this weekend, and there is an hour and a half left. It will end right around midnight Central European time. You can get 20% off of all of our instant funding accounts right now. If you use instant 20 as the discount code, just know that this is for anything that is $50 or more. So for any of the accounts that are lower than $50, they would not count. But so the minimum purchase of $50, you can get 20% off. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. If you want to add to the capital that you're trading with, you have an hour and a half left to do so.
All right. Thank you, Ria.
Mhm.
So see you guys on Wednesday. Hope you have a fruitful trading week. Don't forget to use stop losses. Avoid trading news. Yeah. That's all I can say. Yeah. So I'll see everybody, hopefully Agostinho, on Wednesday as usual, and enjoy the rest of the week.
Enjoy your week. We'll see you Wednesday.